Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Wednesday, the 21st of December, and what is day 9 of the May Paper Co. 2022 Advent Calendar. All right, let's take a look at what we've got today. We are definitely in the home stretch, so we've only got 4 envelopes to go, including today. Alright, so based on the size, it's something for the planner, because everything that has come in this size envelope so far has been for personal guide. Ooh, planner. Oh. Just excuse me while I have a moment. Where does this open? I know exactly what this is, but where does this open? It's the first thing that... I hate ripping through these stickers because they're so nice and they're always right across the seal of the bag. I don't want to ruin them. Okay, now that she's free, all right, so it is, what have we got? All right, so we've got 3 side loading pockets for card sizes. Let me see if I can find something to put in here. Okay, so I've found a couple of the thank you cards that you get with all of May's orders. This one's the new one, so it's landscape. But I've got one of these already for my B6, but this is cool. I feel like it's a different plastic. I'm going to pull the other one out in a second. So you can side load your cards in here. I feel like it's glossy as opposed to the other one that I don't think was glossy, because I don't remember it having like this jelly texture. So you can side load in some cards for your planner. And that's really handy to have. I have it literally every one of my planners, no matter what size, has got this in some sort. Now let me find, okay, this is my B6. I just want to see if it's different. It is different. I had a feeling it was different. So this is my current one. And you can see it's slightly frosted. I don't know if you can tell. Let me pull it out. I'll put it on the desk so you can see the difference. Okay, so that's my usual one. That's one I got from, obviously, May at the beginning of this year. And see how it's slightly frosted, the plastic? So it's not obtrusive when it's in your planner, but the one in the Advent calendar is completely clear. It is glossy, so whereas the original one is a matte, this one is glossy. So there's pros and cons with both, obviously, right? Because this one's not going to glare up, but because it is frosted, you do lose some of the sharpness in your photos or whatever you've got going on. Let me move this out of the way a little bit more. But this one, so this one's completely clear. It is glossy. I don't prefer glossy things, just because I do a lot of recording and it glares and all of that. But I do appreciate that it's completely clear. So it makes it's a lot sharper in terms of what you've got in here. So if I were to move one of these photos across, I'm not a fan of like this jelly material because it sticks together. And in Australia, where we have a lot of humidity in particular, if you get any moisture trapped in under there, it can actually ruin whatever's whatever's in here if you're keeping it here for a long time. So see the difference between the photos, right? This one, it looks a little bit blurry, and this one, it's really, really super clear and nice. So that is the benefit. And now I'm really wishing I had this in personal size, because I've got this one in personal size. And obviously in personal wide. But there's literally no way to make this work if I go into personal now. Okay, if you have a personal size of the new one and you want to swap, let me know, please, because as much as I normally don't like this material, I really love how the photos are showing up, and they're really nice and sharp. And that's actually a Christmas photo of the 6 of us from last year. And the backing is just from some clip art that I got, I think on Etsy. And it's part of a set. So I made the backing cards for it. Okay, so not gonna lie, I'm really surprised how much I like this one, because as I said, I normally don't like the jelly material, but I love how clear everything is in the pocket. So, could this be enough to sway me back into personal wide? I don't know. Like I said, if you've got the personal size and you don't think you're going to use it and you're umming and ahhing about personal wide, please let me know. We could swapsies, because I really like it. I think I like it better than the normal frosted one. May, can we have this in the shop going forward, please? I need it. I need 5, please. Thank you. Thanks for joining me for day 9 of the unboxing series. This will continue until Christmas Day. I checked the community tab this morning and it looks like everyone, well, there's definitely a clear preference for a Boxing Day or 26th of December long video. So that's probably what I'm going to be doing. But jump into the community tab and let me know what you think on the poll. If you think that a longer one on Christmas Day might be better, whichever one you prefer. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about this one, particularly compared to the frosted one, if you've got one. Like, do you like it better clear? Do you have an issue with jelly stuff? Do we want May to bring this to the shop normally? Yes. Hope you have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell and do all the things on your way out. Have a good one. Stay safe. See you later.